My name is Tanner Olson with Nature's Ultra, and let's talk about the future of CBD. CBD is in the early stages of development in the marketplace, and there is nearly limitless positive potential there. But because it's derived from cannabis, there's definitely a stigma. Apart from what you might expect, a huge component to the negative perception is due to the CBD gold rush. There are so many companies out there looking to take advantage of this opportunity that there's bound to be some bad players in the game. Most of these organizations aren't thinking long-term and are just trying to make a quick cash grab. They often cut corners or even worse. There have been many reports of people ordering CBD and getting synthetics, untested CBD, or not even getting the amount of CBD they were promised. A Penn Medicine study showed that nearly 70% of cannabidiol extracts sold online are mislabeled. For example, if you buy a 500 milligram bottle of CBD from one of these companies, you may only be getting a fraction of that amount in the bottle that's shipped to you. Few, if any, of these companies actually publish their lab test results online, so there's no way of confirming the contents of your product apart from expensive lab testing. At Nature's Ultra, we have done the testing for you. The first step in changing this perception is focusing on quality. When you buy from Nature's Ultra, a third party tests every batch of CBD we sell, and we post these results on our website. This means that you can look up the batch of CBD and ensure that you're getting the pure CBD in the amount you paid for. Unlike some of the other companies in the CBD space, this is not a cash grab for us. We're in it for the long haul. Young Living has helped us do tremendous things in the CBD marketplace. And because they have such a huge customer base, their partnership with Nature's Ultra means a lot. This acquisition by Young Living marks a huge awareness opportunity for high quality CBD. Countless new people are trying CBD every day, and we will be there with the highest quality product on the market. Our reach will continue to grow exponentially, which will serve to legitimize high-quality CBD products in the minds of countless people across the country. One thing's for sure, there doesn't seem to be any limit when it comes to the interest of CBD. We believe that CBD is the future, and it will continue to grow, and people around the world will begin to experience the benefits, and we can't wait to be a part of that. Thanks for watching another episode of CBD 101, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. See you next time.